hope you have enjoyed the first couple minutes of this video. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Alex. In this video, you will also find my partner Sophia and our girls Rose and Lily. Now, I'll answer this because I know it will be asked later on, and if you're a dog or animal lover like ourselves, then I know you're curious. Rose and Lily are sisters. They are Chesapeake Bay Retrievers mixed with English Coonhounds. Rose is actually our dog, Lily Sophia's parents, but we love her just as much. We take them both out once a week on a hike during one of our off days. Now, this is my first ever YouTube video, so please bear with me on the quality and editing, as this was all shot on my iPhone and this is the first video I've ever edited. Alright, so a little bit about me. I was born and raised in Federal Way, Washington, which is in between Seattle and Tacoma. I grew up playing almost every sport my schools had to offer, but soccer was my main sport. I played a year of college soccer before I tore my ACL, had surgery, and shortly after, the pandemic happened. A couple of years post-pandemic, I decided to make the move to Colorado to try something new. I've been here for nearly 3 years and haven't looked back. I am currently working in order to enroll back into school to work towards my computer science degree, which I plan to finish at CU Boulder. I added the trail details at the beginning of the video. Lost Lake is a trail we do about 3 to 4 times a year. It's easily accessible during the summer times, but I do recommend having 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive during the snowy season. We do have a Subaru Crosstrek, which I installed a lift kit and added all-terrain tires to, so we don't have a problem getting to and from trailheads. The majority of the roads to trails up in the mountains are closed during the winter, but this one is usually the first to open. It's honestly a great trail. It's much easier during the summer. The snow does increase the difficulty of any trail, but we did do this one without spikes. We did do this trail about a month ago, and there was a decent amount of snow on the ground, so we did have to use our spikes then. Anyways, despite the cloudy day, it was actually very warm out. On a clear sunny day, the hike is so worth it. But if you're an avid hiker like ourselves, it's beautiful just getting out there. I wanted to start a YouTube channel ever since my late high school or early college days. If I had started one then, my intentions were to talk about my trainings, games, nutrition, school, and anything else that was going on in my life. But as you can see, things are a little different now. And although I don't play ball anymore, I subbed that out for hiking. I'm very into my health and fitness, but given how saturated that content is nowadays, I probably won't cover that topic much, unless you guys want me to. I just love being out in the mountains during my free time, and given how beautiful Colorado is, this is the route I want to take at the moment. I also have some races planned in the future in terms of marathons and ultras that I would like to document, but for now, the channel will mostly consist of our hiking adventures. So if there's a trail you would like us to check out, throw them our way in the comments. Since we go hiking at least once a week, my goal is to put out a video a week for now. Come summer, we average about 2 hikes a week, so I plan to hopefully increase that number up to 2. If you give me ideas, I can try to get more content out, but for now, I appreciate you tuning in and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Oh, I forgot to mention, if any of you are from Washington or from Colorado, comment down below in the comments. Have a great day, everybody.